Welcome. You have arrived. This is your sacred space to let go and begin again. We will start with some gentle breath work to relax the nervous system. Ready? Take a deep breath in, hold, and release. Let's do that one more time. Deep breath in, holding, and release. I want you to visualize the week ahead. Imagine stepping into a warm field of light. Repeat after me. I release what no longer serves me. I welcome clarity, peace, and purpose for the week ahead. I am aligned with my highest self. I move through the week with grace and ease. Let's take another deep breath in, holding, and release. One more time, deep breath in, hold, and release. Smile. You're going to have a great week ahead. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to join us here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now go have a great week ahead. Remember, you can watch this as often as you like to remind yourself that no matter what happens, you are in control of your week. Until we meet again, take care.